So this is the standard kind of carrier bag that we get in most stores in the United Kingdom. This one is from the Central Co-op. Now the idea is that you go shopping, you've forgotten your carrier bag, so you buy another one. But that's not what we're supposed to be doing, are we? What you really want is a way to fold your carrier bag so that you can keep it in your pocket, in your purse, in your handbag, whatever. Now there's a few ways of doing this, but I find this way the best. So you get your standard carrier bag, and what you want to do is flatten it out. So in the bottom here, you see you've got a crease there. Put your fingers in here and press it out, flatten it down like that. Go to the top here and you'll see you've got a couple of handles. Make sure they're fairly flat, like that, because we're going to use those in a little while. Right, so let's flatten out the carrier bag. And what you want to try to do is get as much of the air out as you can. So just push the air towards the open area at the top of the bag and get it nice and flat. Now the first part of this is to grab the bottom part, and fold it up about a third, the bottom part of the carrier bag, and fold it up about a third. Press it out like that. So as you can see, the bag is now a third shorter. You then fold it again and bring that crease there level with the top of the bag, as you can see. And again, try to get rid of as much of the air as you can. Now the next bit, this is where it starts to get clever. So you've got these two edges here where the handles start and finish, either way. So bring your side in from there, from that there, and fold it over like that. Okay? And then we do exactly the same with the other side and bring that across like that. So we now end up with a tiny little square carrier bag with our handles here. So now you pull that across here, so you've got a nice 45-degree angle, and then do the same from that side there. Okay, so now we've got this with the handles on that side. So what you do is you bring it away from that side and over the little peak that we have there, and flatten it down, and then the same with the other handle. Get them nice and flat, squeeze it all down like that, and there you have it. And that will now fit in your purse, in your pocket, and you've always got a carrier bag when you need one.